How to delete your Facebook Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to delete your account for Facebook Lite, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a three-bar option. Click on it, then scroll down. After that, you'll see the option which says settings over here under settings and privacy. Open settings. Then, in the first, you'll see the option Account Center. Click on it. After you do that, scroll a bit down. Then go to the option which says Personal Details, which is under Account Settings. After that, you'll see three options: Contact Info, Birthday, and Account Ownership and Control. Go to the last option which says Account Ownership and Control. Then there are two options that are memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Go to the option deactivation or deletion. Then choose your Facebook account. After you do that, you'll see two options of deactivating your account or deleting your account. Go to the option delete account, then click on continue. After you do that, your account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Facebook Lite account on your device. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and see you in the next video.